how to use your Vtiisamao night vision goggles, binoculars. I'm going to go over the basics. That's going to sort of like a quick start to tell you how to do the most common things you want to do. I have other videos on how to do specific things, but this is going to kind of go over all of the basic things you're going to want to do with this. So the first thing we're going to do, obviously, is turn it on. So we're going to long press the power button to turn it on. And then you'll see this screen pop up, and it will load up. And then once we get this screen loaded up, I'm going to show you a couple of things on the screen. So a couple of things that you might want to do on here when you're looking through the binoculars is you might want to zoom in or zoom out. And to do that, we're going to use these up and down arrows here, but we need to long press them. So if I long press here, I'll long press the up arrow, and you'll see that this pops up on the screen here, and it's showing how much zoom there is, 6 times, 7 times, etc. And then I can zoom out by holding down this, and you can see this 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now the way this sees in the dark is that it emits an infrared light, and we can actually increase and decrease the amount of infrared light that we have on it. So by doing that, we're going to use these same arrows, but instead of long pressing, we're just going to tap. And when we tap, you'll see we have this little light bulb here, and if you can see in there, there's a 1 there. And if I tap it again, a 2. If I tap it again, there's a 3. If I tap it again, there's a 4. If I tap it again, there's a 5. That's just increasing the power of the infrared light. Now, to focus it, we have a manual focusing wheel that we can use right here. This will manually focus. And also, if we want to, well, I'll show you in a second, you can actually take pictures and videos and stuff like that, and we can record it on the memory card, which goes here. Now, I'll show you real quickly how to do that. So this has basically 3 modes. We can have a picture taking mode, a video taking mode, and then a playback mode. So what we're going to do to go through that is now you see they have this little video camera here. That's because it's in video play mode. If I hit the mode button, it will toggle into the little camera icon mode. And then if I hit it again, you'll see the screen will go away. And now it's going to show up the videos that it has recorded. And so now I can toggle through and select, that's the playback mode to play the videos. But anyways, so if I'm in video mode, and then if I just hit the OK button, then it will start to record. Same thing, if I am in the picture button, if I hit the OK button, then it will take a picture. So that's the basics of it. Also, if you want to change any of the settings on it, we can just hit the menu button and we can do a lot of different things. We can change resolutions, we can change the backlighting, we can change the language, all that kind of stuff. So anyways, I hope this video helped. And if you're interested in these binoculars, there will be a link below.